Here are 50 things you can do to unlock your creative engine, and the order is totally random. 1. Simplify your surroundings. An empty space provides a distraction-free environment so that you can play around with ideas in your head. 2. Complicate your surroundings. Having more stuff around you can trigger a mind-blowing idea. Remember that objects have life and meaning, and they can be a great catalyst for innovation. 3. Copy your idols. You will find your voice. 4. Reverse engineer what others are doing while adding enhancements of your own. 5. Put your imperfect ideas out. This will create room for more. 6. Play with objects around you. Ask yourself, what is the best way I can use this object so that the thing I'm doing is both functional and aesthetically pleasing and congruent with the environment I'm in. 7. Meditate. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever tickles the pickle. 8. Learn to breathe not only while you are meditating but also during your day. Calibrate your default breathing state. 9. Journal. Free-form writing helps you get the bugs out. Do it in the morning, afternoon, evening, do it whenever you feel like it. 10. Go out for a walk. 11. Play with your pet. 12. Read, and read. Read deeply, read both mainstream and the fringe, newspapers, magazines, newsletters, novels, books, and even mail shots. 13. Maintain a roving eye for interesting words or phrases or sentences and see how they are strung together to express elegant ideas or novel messages eloquently and succinctly across the reader. 14. While reading your daily news intake, pay particular attention to 3 specific areas: editorials, economic analysis, and why not political commentaries. These segments are usually written by editors and senior journalists with a seemingly impeccable command of language, although it is not a rule. 15. Create something small every single day. One ought every day at least to hear a little song, read a good poem, see a fine picture, and, if it were possible, to speak a few reasonable words. 16. While watching movies, maintain a roving eye and ear for interesting as well as intriguing dialogues or conversations. 17. Always keep a large notebook handy to capture all the stuff you are ingesting. This is called sentence mining. 18. Write and write as much as you can, and make sure you use the captured stuff in 17 to animate your language expressions. In emails or reports or blogs or proposals or even presentations and sales pitches. In addition to helping you internalize this new vocabulary, moreover, writing avidly also enhances your grammar. 19. Use as much of the material you have captured and gathered and collected in your daily dynamic speaking activities as well, such as conversations, dialogues, meetings, discussions, doing presentations or sales pitches, webcasting and podcasting. 20. Start writing about something you cannot find online in places like Wikipedia. Once writing becomes your hammer, you will see nails everywhere. Supply creates its own demand. 21. Document your ideas and gather them up and create a reference system like Notion. 22. Work on your computer using the left hand if you are a righty and the right hand if you are a lefty. You will be amazed at how hard it is at first, but you will slowly become ambidextrous. And I believe that you will slow down and you will enjoy the newly discovered pace. 23. Change your clothes. 24. Reorganize the furniture. 25. Reorganize your desk. 26. Try remixing your old work. Repackage your old ideas and make sure you don't repeat yourself too much. You can tweak those out and eliminate what's unnecessary. 27. Read your old notes or do a review of your past projects. 28. Start small. 1 click, 1 word, 1 brushstroke. This will get the momentum going. 29. Set deadlines and constraints. Unlimited time can often be deadly. 30. Record your thoughts using your phone and review those when feeling stuck. 31. Break your routine. 32. Doodle some random stuff. 33. Practice stream of consciousness writing. 34. Try out a new tool and approach something you're doing from a different angle. 35. Set limitations. Say you are only allowed to draw using one particular pencil. This way you won't have to face the paradox of choice. 36. Scramble the location of your apps on your phone. This will force you to break the autopilot mode and actually pay attention to what you're doing. 37. Make a list using pen and paper. Repeat the doodling. 38. Collaborate with someone. 39. Try speedrunning through your work. Debugging, typing quicker, thinking ahead, you are getting through the cycles faster and generate more feedback loops from which you can find lessons and experiences a lot quicker. 40. Start learning something you think is impossible. 41. Start learning something that your brain told you are not good at. 42. Remember that the harder something is to do, the fewer people will do it. Become the one who does it. 43. Be on the lookout for things that do not make sense. Think from first principles and see why. Also, reverse engineer and see why. 44. Choose what you want to do carefully, and if you are watching this video right now, you are probably not doing something else, and that's opportunity cost, and choosing to do one thing requires you to give up on another. Just think about that. 45. Stop following rules every single time. 46. Try saying no to the stuff you would have normally said yes to. 47. Do something completely opposite from what others are expecting from you. 48. Do a quick workout. Push-ups, crunches, pull-ups, it will wake you up. 49. Establish a purpose even if you are not fully satisfied with it. Experiment with that purpose and continuously enhance and adapt it. 50. Slack. Do nothing. Allow yourself time to accept that doing nothing is actually a good thing.